Everyone thinks the best-selling looper pedal is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, LEK-ATO Looper Pedal. First up is the LEK-ATO Looper Guitar Pedal. The sleek black design caught my eye, and at $58.99, it's definitely budget-friendly. If you want impressive recording time and versatility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pedal comes with 9 loops and a whopping 40 minutes of total recording time. Plus, with uncompressed audio quality at 48K 24-bit sampling, you can expect pristine sound without any loss. The built-in tuner is also a neat feature, ensuring that your performance stays in tune without disrupting your flow. With 2,700 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clearly making waves in the guitar community. Now, some people complained about the learning curve for some of the controls. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the single knob operation for volume and the foot commands for recording, it really opens up your creative potential. It's not a deal breaker, especially if you're willing to invest a little time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you want something ultra-simple without any extra features. For the price, you definitely get a lot of value here. Now, if the LEK-ATO's learning curve feels daunting, the next one on my list is known for its simplicity. Product number 2, Boss RC1 Loop Station. Next, we have the Boss RC1 Loop Station. Priced at $107.04, this pedal stands out with its red color and user-friendly interface. If you want an industry-standard looper that's easy to use, this one deserves your attention. This means no guesswork while you're playing, so you can focus on your music. Plus, it supports stereo looping, which is fantastic if you're using multiple instruments or want a fuller sound. The 4.6-star rating from over 3,700 reviews suggests that many players are thrilled with its performance. However, some users mention that it lacks advanced features like MIDI sync. Here's the thing, if you're a beginner or just want a straightforward looper to get started with, this simplicity could actually be a plus. It allows you to focus on your creativity rather than technical details. This is perfect for you if you're new to looping and want something that's plug and play. Skip this one if you need more complex functionalities or extensive sound manipulation. Overall, it's a solid investment for any guitarist. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for effects. Product number 3, Zoom G1 X4. The Zoom G1 X4 is next, and at $119.99, it's more than just a looper. With over 70 effects and amp modeling, this pedal is a creative powerhouse. If you want a looper that doubles as a multi-effects processor, this is worth considering. Plus, the 68 rhythm patterns add another layer, making your practice sessions feel more engaging. For guitarists looking to craft unique sounds, the option to download custom patches via Zoom Guitar Lab is a game changer. The 4.5-star rating from 6,300 reviews shows that many players love its versatility, but I have to mention that some users found it a bit overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, once you get familiar with all the features, it opens a world of possibilities that can elevate your playing. It's a learning curve, but it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a pedal that offers both looping and a wide array of effects. Skip this one if you want a straightforward looper without the bells and whistles. For the price, you get a lot of versatility here. Now, if you're looking for something that combines looping with a unique rhythm experience, the next pedal will surprise you. Product number 4, Donner Circle Looper. Up next is the Donner Circle Looper, priced at $99.99. This 2-in-1 looper and drum machine caught my interest for its versatility. If you want a looper that also gives you built-in drum grooves, keep watching. With 40 memory slots and a total of 160 minutes of recording time, this looper is perfect for extended jam sessions. The bright screen showing loop mode and timing is a nice touch, making it easy to stay on track while you play. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's clear this pedal has its fans. Now, some users pointed out that the power supply isn't included, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you already have a pedal board setup, using your existing power supply can save you some cash. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those who want a versatile pedal. This is perfect for you if you want both a looper and a drum machine in one. Skip this one if you prefer a pedal with a power adapter included. For what you get, it's a great value. Alright, if you're looking for something that really takes your sound to the next level, the last product is one you don't want to miss. Product number 5, MOOER GE150 Pro. Finally, we have the MOOER GE150 Pro at $159. This is a serious contender for those looking for advanced features. If you're after a high-quality modeling pedal that includes a looper, this one is definitely worth your time. With 200 factory preset tones and 55 classic amp models, this pedal gives you tremendous flexibility. The 4 multi-purpose foot switches mean you can control everything from effects to loops seamlessly. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 520 reviews, it's clear that this pedal appeals to serious musicians. However, some users mention that it can be complex to navigate at first. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest the time to learn it, the payoff is huge with the range of sounds and controls you get. It's definitely geared towards more experienced players. This is perfect for you if you're an advanced player looking for extensive sound options. Skip this one if you want something simple and straightforward. For the features, it's a solid investment that can enhance your music significantly. To wrap it up, we've covered a great range of looper pedals today. From the budget-friendly LEKATO to the versatile Zoom G1X4, each has its strengths. The Boss RC1 offers simplicity, while the Donner Circle Looper provides unique drum features. Finally, the MOOER GE150 Pro is ideal for advanced players looking for a powerhouse. Choose the one that fits your style and happy looping.